this time of the season, everybody's exhausted, and I feel like I'm always at the same places. It's like a Groundhog Day effect where wasn't I just here? Wasn't I just here? Let me know in the comments. I think everybody feels that way, but let me know if you feel like your life sometimes is just a Groundhog Day effect, especially come mid-July and August. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful cloudy day. Haha. What a relief after all the scorching temperatures we've been having lately. Oh Lord, thank God it's Friday and the grass was nice and short. Basically just went through and did a little vacuum session. But the bushes are haunting me because they all need trimming. Not all of them, but trimming season continues. Welcome back, all you warriors. Another episode of Lee Landscapes Life Stories. Like I said, it's Friday. Really exhausting week. We're going to have the boys will have 48 hours, and I'll have well over that with all the planning and run around I did. So, definitely exhausting, and of course, I said it was cloudy out. Now the sun pops out. Told you guys I'd keep it real, so show you the safety tip that you need to always think about after heavy rains. Drench your areas. Any slopes, mountainsides, embankments, walls, retaining walls. Not everybody knows this, but there's drainage features in all the retaining walls around these homes. So my advice is adjust what you're going to do. Don't think about saving time. Think about saving your life. So I brought the push mower out. I got this mountainside that I usually mow with the Turf Tiger 2. Really wet, and there's a big drop off over here. So that's why I have the trusty Honda, but there's definitely hazards. They have beautiful German Shepherds, and I'm tiptoeing through. All right, so wow, drainage coming from all these retaining walls here. Definitely didn't want to put the large mower on there. Take the risk of going down. I mean, personally, even if I ran with a 48-inch walk behind, I wouldn't put that on there today. I mean, we had torrential downpours, and just the risk involved, not worth it. Value your life more than your time. You'll be a happier person. I'll be back. So, this coming week, Tuesday, I gotta come here and trim these bushes. And devine the back fence away from the woods. Beautiful place. I am blessed and honored to take care of it, honestly. Oh no, there's a big cul-de-sac still left on the list. Let's go ahead and touch real quick on that last property. I am going to upcharge for my time and effort and safety involved on that push mowing on that side of that mountain. My client would much rather me save him time and not call him, text him, bug him in the middle of his important day and make an executive decision on my own for safety. And I already know from the past, he does not want to be skipped. He wants his yard mowed. All right? Know your customers, know your clients, know what they expect, know what they want, and save them time while you're saving time as well. That being said, It is Friday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and yes, we have the cul-de-sac that we were just at for Monday and Tuesday. And we'll be back here again Monday, finishing the vines. We'll tune back in. So, even though it is a revolving door of the same, hey, every day I wake up, I thank God for the blessings He's given me, and the fact that it is a revolving door means that my bank account will continue to revolve. Me and my family will be taken care of, and these properties will continue to thrive and grow and continue to need to be maintained. Trimming, weeds, grass, leaves, all the seasons. We take care of it. You know how it goes. Be good if you can. Always be kind. Above all, love each other. Elite Landscape style. Peace.